Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your any smartphone like Vivo, Xiaomi, Redmi, Apple, any kind of a smartphone you can unlock with the help of this method, okay? And if your phone is unlocked with the help unlocked due to your forgotten pin pattern and password lock, so don't worry at all. At the end of this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100%. Definitely, you don't have to visit any service center and you don't need to expense a single penny. And one more thing I would also like to tell you, in this unlocking method your all the data will be saved at the end of this video, okay? You don't have to delete a single data from your smartphone, okay? And you don't need any computer application, you don't have to pay for any application to unlock your smartphone. And if my previous video didn't work on your smartphone or your smartphone could not unlock with the help of my method, so don't worry at all. What I'm going to give you in today's video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work on your smartphone. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be charged less than 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge of your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can charge your smartphone at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this trick and today's video, so don't worry at all. You can also take help of my next upcoming videos to unlock your smartphone, and for this you must subscribe to the channel. And if your phone unlocked with the help of today's video, then do the like this video. This gives us a lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning this method, balancing it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be closed. Now you can see here my phone is showing here telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network. So firstly, I will have to switch off these type of network. So simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this, and you will get a lots of keys here. You can see with me. Now you can see here there is a key of a airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. Simply you will have to activate this flight mode option. After activating this flight mode option, your phone's all the network will be switched off, okay? Now after this, your phone is ready to go with the unlocking method. But one more thing you will have to do with your smartphone, and this is the main and the most important thing. And the main thing is that your phone's all the background running applications should be closed down before going to the unlocking method. And generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. So there are some secret code which generated by the every service center to close the background running application in lock mode phone, okay? So simply you will have to feed this secret code in your dialing pad. So how will you activate your dialing pad? Simply you will have to slide your phone upside like this. Now you can see here this phone is locked due to pattern lock. Now you can see here there is an option of an emergency SOS option. Simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this emergency SOS option, just a minute, a dialing pad will be open in your phone's display. You can see here. Now after this, you will have to feed this secret code in your dialing pad to close the background running application. And today's secret code is star 4 times 1, then star 85246, then star 000, then hash. After feeding this secret code, you will have to call on this secret code at the first time. When you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. Simply ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again, you will have to call on this secret code 3 times continuously. After call on this secret code 3 times continuously, it means your phone's all the background running application are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the unlocking method. So after this, simply you will have to clear your call log like this. Now I am going to give you a special USSD code which will reach your phone to the master unlocking mode page or engineers mode page. And this USSD code is star has 899 then has. Now you can see here, after feeding this number star has 899 has, a new page has been appeared on my phone display. That page name is after sales page, okay? Now you can see here there are lots of options on this page. But you can see here there is an option of a software version at the 5th number. Simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, you will get a lots of options. The first option you can see here, your phone's model number is showing here, that is RMX3471. You don't have to go with this option. Now the second option is showing here Android version 13, okay? It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 10, 11 or 12, so don't worry at all. If your phone is showing here Android version 12, it means you will have to click on this option 12 times. But here my phone is showing here Android version 13, so I will have to click on this Android version option 13 times rapidly. Mark my word, you will have to click on this option rapidly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay, now the first step has been done. After this, you will have to go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page and you will get another option of a manual test option. Simply you will have to click on this manual test option, and when you will click on this manual test option, you will reach to a new page, and that page name is engineers mode page. You can see with me. Now you will get a 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of other. Okay, now you can see here at the end of the slide, other options page has been appeared on my phone display, and there are also a 5 type of option on this page. Now you can see here at the 4th number, the option is showing here mainboard version. It may be possible your phone will be showing here database version. Okay, so both the option have the same function but the different name, so don't worry at all. Simply you will have to click on this mainboard version or database version 9 times rapidly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, now the step has been done. Now you can see here the second option is showing here read write important lock test. Okay, so simply you will have to go with this read write important lock test option, and at the first time when you will click on this read write important lock test option, you will reach to a new page, and this will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel here at the first time. At the second time again you will have to cancel this option, and the third time do the same. But at the 4th time when you will click on this option, simply you will have to go with the OK button, and when you will go with the option of a OK button, it means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. It means your phone is now ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. Now I am going to give you a very last step, but before going to the last step, one more thing I would like to tell you, my friend. And if you have skipped a single step in this video, it means your phone is not going to unlock and you will have to watch this video again. So watch this video properly and follow the every step properly to unlock your smartphone within a single time. Okay, otherwise you will have to try this video again and again and again. Okay, and you will comment my phone could not unlock with the help of your video. So actually if you are feeding every step properly, it means your phone will be unlocked 100% definitely at the end of this video. Okay, now the very last step what I am going to give you, simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. Now you can see here there is an option of a device debugging option has been appeared on my phone display. You can see with me. Now there is an option of a sensor self test and calibration option at the 6th number in device debugging page. Okay, now simply you will have to click on this device debugging option page, and when you will click on this device debugging page sensor self test calibration option, you will get a 3 type of option on your phone display. It may be possible your phone will be showing here 1 option or 2 options, so don't worry at all the option will be showing there operation not started, so don't worry at all. Simply you will have to start these operation by clicking on these option. Okay, and you will have to continue click on these option until you get a single test passed message in green color. Okay, so I am going to click on these option. You can see with me. Test has been started, test failed. The second option, test has been started, test failed. The third option, test has been started, but the third option you can see here has been appeared with the test passed message in green color. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my smartphone. Okay, so now I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So simply you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. Okay, you can see with me. There is a home button at the bottom of the phone. Simply you will have to click on this home button to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So I'm going to click on this option. So my friend, you can see here my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the application which were in my smartphone when my phone was logged as it is as in my smartphone. So this trick really works, and if you have a smartphone unlocked with the help of today's video, then do the like this video. And if your phone could not unlock with the help of today's video, then make a comment in my comment box which type of problem you are facing. Our team will quick response to unlock your smartphone. Okay, so thank you so much.